Welcome to Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use wireless charger Samsung S22, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First things first, open Settings app on your Samsung S22. You can easily find it on your home screen or in app drawer. Just tap on gear-shaped icon to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside Settings menu, scroll down until you see an option called Battery. Tap on it to access your battery settings. Step 3. Now within Battery section, scroll down until you find option labeled Wireless Power Sharing. Tap on it to open settings. Right now, this option is turned off by default, but don't worry, we'll enable it in next step. Step 4. Finally, tap on Toggle button to turn it on. And that's it. Your Samsung S22 is now ready to use wireless charging without any cables. Just place your phone on compatible wireless charger and it will start charging automatically. And there you have it. That's how you use wireless charger Samsung S22. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.